Oh, well, hello there. It is I, Drunk Tommy, and I'm back here with you for another episode of Tommy the Bartender. And today, I'm going to show you guys the proper way to make a mimosa. So, let's dive into this thing. Pretty self-explanatory. Then you want to open this thing up. This champagne. Alright. Take this bad boy off. And there you go, it's off. Thank God it did not go everywhere. I was nervous for a second. Okay, this is the important key part, peoples, okay? Now, this you want to take your thing. You want to pour it in. Just let some of the bubbles dissipate. Okay. Take your OJ. Boom, baby. And that is how you make your mimosa the Drunk Tommy way. Thank you guys. Thank you guys for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. Please hit that like button. It really helps our channel grow and get out to other people. So alrighty guys, I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye. Bottoms up. Good stuff. Later.